Welcome back. I'm Joel Lourie, and I'm with a good friend and colleague, Jennifer Counts. Jennifer is an account manager on the health insurance side. I'm so proud of her. She does such a wonderful job for our clients and helping them obtain affordable health insurance. Jennifer, let's dive right into it. I'm talking about the health insurance marketplace. Consumers that apply through the marketplace will usually get a subsidy. Why is it important to accurately project your income when filing for an insurance plan through the marketplace?
Yeah, so we want to make sure you accurately project your income so that you can get what you're entitled to, but not too much and not have to owe anything back as well.
All right, let's dig a little bit deeper on that because this is really important when getting health insurance through the marketplace. What happens if somebody underestimates their income? So an individual knows they're making $50,000 a year, but because they want to get a larger subsidy or a larger discount, they only project $25,000 to the marketplace. What happens to that consumer?
So yes, they will get the larger subsidy at that time, but they will have to pay that back. It's best to project as close as we can. That way we can ensure that you're getting what you're supposed to have.
So when they go to file their taxes, if they've underprojected their income for the purpose of getting a larger subsidy, they're gonna owe Uncle Sam back.
Yes.
All right, let's flip it around. What happens if somebody overprojects their income? So a consumer's really making $20,000 a year, but they project at $35,000 a year, but really they know in their heart they're gonna make 20. What happens to that consumer?
So with that consumer, you're not gonna get as much of a tax credit as you should have. You wouldn't get as much as you're entitled to. When you go to file, you could possibly get a refund on it, but it's best to be as close as possible.
Sure, because your monthly premium would be lower if you get a larger credit. And there are certain categories where you may be eligible for lower deductibles and co-payments and out-of-pockets too. So the whole key is making sure that you accurately project for the next year. All right, here's a question that comes up a lot. Somebody projects a certain amount of income and then they lose their job. And so, they know they're gonna go 90 days without having any income, so they may have overprojected. Can they adjust their marketplace application and perhaps get a larger subsidy?
Yes, so as soon as you know you're gonna have a change in your household income, whether it's size or whether it's income, you definitely wanna let us know so that we can adjust it to make sure you're getting what you're supposed to have.
Sure, so if somebody loses a job, they're gonna make less money than they projected, or the flip side, they're in a job and all of a sudden somebody recruits them away and they get a pretty big raise. We then want to adjust their income so that the subsidy matches the projected income for the year.
Correct, yes.
Right, great. And Jennifer, sometimes when people apply for a marketplace plan, there's a verification process. Talk to us a little bit of how that works, because you lead that process for our team and do a wonderful job.
Right, so it's a data mismatching error. Sometimes it could be a wrong social, it can be income needing to be verified. It's just really important to make sure that we get that information over to the marketplace so that they can keep your subsidy intact and they can adjust the information as necessary.
And how will they know if they have a data mismatch?
It is normally listed on your eligibility notice. Here in our office, we do let you know as soon as we do your application that it is flagging. So we definitely reach out and make sure that you know your deadlines and we help you get that stuff uploaded.
And I think that's the important part. Not only do we let you know, but if you send us the information, you do a great job of submitting that through our portal to the marketplace to make sure that consumer keeps their subsidy.
Correct, yes sir.
Jennifer Counts, always a pleasure. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us.